Man, I can't video him from here. Can't even see him.
What's he doing with them?
Letting them rest.
Am I supposed to wait?
Waiting for the others to catch up. Yes. Where would you go? Guy behind you's yelling at you.
I don't think so.
The guy's way on back here driving.
Ain't driving them very well.
How hard do you have to drive them along the road? Got some across the rail over there. How you gonna get them back over there?
Yep. I think your cows are lazy. That's what I think.
We're fixing to be coming right here where you're at. You can drive through them if you want, but there's a cattle guard right there.
I was just gonna wait and see if one hopped the back.
Yeah, there's one girl in the back.
Should I back up if they're bringing them this way?
Yes, sir. We're coming right where your truck's sitting. That's where them cattle are fixing to come out.
You got it.
You're a cowboy.
Well, this guy's going through.
Yeah, watch this guy. Just drive right up into him. Oh, he's a local.
Should we go through?
If you like. He said you can drive through him.
I can.
Not over him, but through him.
All right, then. We'll do her.
Cows. Cows.
Should we honk to help you out?